the most dangerous moment in human history might arrive quietly. No alarms, no countdown, no dramatic warning in the sky, just another night that most people won't wake up from. We're taught to believe that asteroid impacts are rare, dramatic events, something that belongs in movies, not real life. But that belief is comfort, not science. Because right now, scientists are tracking objects in space that have already passed closer to Earth than the Moon. Not theories, not simulations, real objects, real trajectories. And that should make you uncomfortable.
Most people imagine asteroids as giant planet-killing rocks, but the real threat doesn't always come from extinction-level impacts. Sometimes collapse is enough. Modern civilization isn't strong, it's efficient. It depends on satellites, power grids, communication networks, global trade, and precise timing. Disrupt a few of those systems, and everything starts to fall apart. An asteroid doesn't need to wipe out humanity to end the world as we know it. Right now, space agencies are tracking tens of thousands of near-Earth objects. Most are harmless. Many will never come close, but some are labeled potentially hazardous, not because they will hit us, but because if they do, the consequences are global. Here's the part that most people don't hear. Several asteroids were discovered only days before they passed Earth. Some were detected mere hours before, not because scientists failed, but because space is enormous, dark, and filled with blind spots. If an asteroid approaches from the direction of the sun, our telescopes can't see it. The glare hides it completely. By the time it becomes visible, there may be no time left to react. One wrong angle, one small miscalculation, one object moving faster than expected, and suddenly prediction turns into disaster. In 2013, a relatively small asteroid exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia. No impact crater, no global extinction, yet windows shattered across an entire city. Over 1,000 people were injured, and no one saw it coming. That object was only about 20 meters wide. Now imagine something 10 times larger, or 100. At that size, you're not talking about broken glass. You're talking about regional devastation, shock waves flattening cities, electromagnetic pulses knocking out power, satellites failing, air travel collapsing overnight, shock waves flattening cities, electromagnetic pulses knocking out power, satellites failing, air travel collapsing overnight. And if that impact happens in the wrong location, near coastlines, infrastructure hubs, or agricultural regions, food systems fail, markets panic, governments lose control, civilization doesn't explode, it unravels. This is why scientists monitor certain asteroids more closely than others. Not because they are dramatic, but because their orbits intersect ours. Space agencies like NASA and ESA constantly refine these trajectories. They calculate paths decades into the future. They update probabilities daily. They don't guess, they measure. And here's the uncomfortable truth. We are far better at detecting threats than we are at stopping them. Early detection is everything. If we see a threat early enough, we might be able to act. If we don't, there are no second chances. So the real question isn't, will an asteroid hit Earth tomorrow? The odds are low. The real question is this: if one was already on a collision course, would we know soon enough to change the outcome? If you believe science should be explained honestly, without fear, without exaggeration, like this video, comment what surprised you the most and subscribe to this channel, because space isn't science fiction, it's real and it's watching us back.